Good morning, student. Color School, hello. Subject Computer, Standard Ninth. Lesson number 3. Topic Output Device. Student, today we teach about output device. What is output device? Computer calculate result must be provided to its must be user. The device that provide output to the user are called output device. Commonly used output devices are monitor and printer. Monitor, printer, projector, plotter, voice response are the example of output device. An output device is any piece of computer hardware e- equipment which convert information into human readable form. It can be text, graphics, audio, video, etc. An input device is something you connect to a computer that sends information into the computer. An output device is something you connect to a computer that has information sent to it. Next, monitor. Monitor are commonly are used output device. The output is represented on computer visual screen. This output is just for viewing purpose and hard copy can not be taken. That is why it is called soft copy output. At present, flat monitors are very popular because they are thinner in size and lighter in weight. Monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial form. A monitor usually completes than visual display. Older monitors use a cathode ray tube, while a standard LCD monitor uses full or hour sent back light. An LED monitor uses light emitting diodes for backlights. LED monitors usually have superior picture quality. quality. Next, printer. Printer provides hard copy output. There are variety of printer that content in different way. Some printers print content character by character, hence called character printer or dot matrix printer. These printers are character and slow. Other printers print line by line and are called line printer. Another category of printers print content by spraying small drop of ink. Such printers are called inkjet printers. Inkjet printers are slower and cost, cost line, liner than the dot matrix printer. Similarly, there are printers available that create the image of whole page and print the full page at a time using laser technology. This type of printer is called laser printer. A character printers print one line print one character at a time instead of one line at a time. A line printer prints one entire line of text before advancing to another line. These printers are minimum expense and it has a high speed. Inkjet printers is a type of computer printing that uh, re- recreates a digital image by propelling drop, droplets of ink onto paper and plastic substrates. These printers are most commonly used type of printer and range from small inexpensive consumer models to expensive professional machine. Next, projector. Output of computer is project on a bigger flat surface like wall or screen through an output device called projector teaching material with text, image, sound project on the surface for better viewing. Such projectors are very useful for learning, demo, demonstrating, and presenting content. Projector is an optical device that projects an image onto a surface, commonly a projection screen. Most projections create an image by shining a light through a small transparent lens, but some types of projectors can project the image directly by using lasers. Next, voice response. Stored voice and convert voice can be presented to user who do not want to see or read output on monitor, projector or printer. Video games, automatic answering machine, alarm and single etc. Signal, etc. are the applications that need voice output.